Morning, everybody. Kia ora, kia ora. Good morning, good morning. How are we all doing? Morning, Twitch. Morning, YouTube. Morning, Kick. Hope we're all doing well, whānau. Good to see everyone again today. She's a bit of a shitty day today, I'll tell you that much. It is very, 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 very rubbish today, whānau. Not ideal, but hey. I'm still gonna stream anyway. I don't even know if playing this song is safe, eh? Hey, what up, everybody? Yeah, I don't think playing this song is safe to play. Yeah, I don't think it is. I forgot it's tomorrow here. Where's here? Someone said to get a kebab. Oh, unlucky, my bro. Unlucky. So if you haven't tuned in, this is what we've been up to. We have fully designed one side. Now what we're currently doing with this now is cleaning it up along the way too. So that's our plan for today once again. We're going to focus on this area today. That's going to be our main focus. What's up, Axel, over on YouTube? Still working yourself? Oi! It's the 25th here. Oh, you're in the 26th. So it is currently Thursday. How many days till the pandas get released? I think they get released on Monday. Yeah, pre-patch for Mr. Pandaria. Oh, nostalgia times, chat. Nostalgia times are upon. I'm excited to play Mop again, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I am excited to play Mop again. That was one of my favorite expansions. One of my favorites. We'll most likely be playing a monk as well. Morning, Fanta, how are you? Oh, it'll be early as in Melbourne, eh? What's up, brother? Zach the Fed. What's up, Flozgoo? MTW Insignia. What's up, Snowy? What's up, Uchi? Cheer, my bro. How we doing? I've been trying to figure out where I can put the signature design that I normally do on this. Currently don't know where I want to put it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too sure where we should put it, chat. We'll figure it out as we go along. Oh, cheers, brother Fluzgo. Yeah, I don't know what music to play, eh? I was real keen to play Baldur's Gate last night. Hello from Palau. Can't wait for the mini games. Oh, on Mop. Whereabouts is Palau in the world, brother? Yeah, we haven't quite got TikTok there yet, chat. I forgot to charge my phone. Mike, oh, you're in Micronesia. True. Not too far away. Not too far away at all. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to the stream too, cousin. Normally, the way I start streams in the winter, I have a coffee first just to warm myself up. Why is our music not playing? Alright. Oceania is right. Oceania is right. Hold on, chat. Bro, do you bless your work when you're done? Yeah, pretty much. I've blessed every single piece that I've done before it gets sent off. Yeah, I did it for every single piece, my bro. Hold up. Yeah, a few bits I missed. We'll work on those two as we go. On the US, not proud of that at the moment, but living here, time events has to give me some credit somewhere. Oh, flu. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, the world's a bit up in arms at the moment, my bro. Bit of a dick swinging contest by individuals, but as long as you're safe, that's what matters to me most. Okay. Thank you, Juan. Cheers, brother. Yo, the real huge over on YouTube. How are you doing, brother? You good? Yeah, my bro, I'm good. I had the day off yesterday, just to focus on. I just wanted to chill out with the baby yesterday, have some cuddles, and also was my daughter's Matariki show yesterday. Another one tomorrow as well. So yeah, moving into the school holidays again. To everyone that tunes in, carving streams schedule's a bit up and down through the school holidays because my main focus is spending time with the kids. But I will try. We'll try and get some evening streams in as well. Carving. We'll do some carving streams inside. I don't want to be carving within hours where I should be spending time with my children. Okay. So to all the people that have been around for a long time, I know you understand, and we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Well, I just gotta knuckle down on spending time with the kids through the holidays, and obviously spending time with you guys too. They're good, my bro. My kids are good. Our baby, my wife is good. Our baby's good. Yeah, everything's pretty much sailing as we should for now. Sailings as we must, my bro. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much the plans for now. Just spend time with the kids, keep training. That's the main thing. Your kids are way more important than us. Oh, you guys are important to me too, straight up. But yeah, trust me, I'll juggle up some time for the kids and the stream as well. I always consider the community in my day to day too. Like always, there will never be a day when I don't. Hey, from Nelson, you walking tripod. Hey, what's up, local Chad? The knee knocker himself. What's up, brother? How are you? How are you, brother? Yeah, she's a bit of a Thursday, rainy day. Last day of the school term, so I just didn't pack anything for my kids in their lunch. Normally it's like wraps, fruit, and the odd muesli bar. Just did chocolate biscuit each, all that kind of stuff. And I just said, wear whatever you want to school today. Also, my kids may have got me into K-pop chat, and I'm here for it. My lines are frothier than Starbucks latte. Cannot complain. Hey, add a bit of seasoning on the top of the froth, eh, my bro? Nice. What's up, Battle Tanker? How are you, brother? I was playing some late night WoW last night, bro. I was doing these ones, falling asleep in the dungeon, and oh shit. I was like, my ass is getting old if I'm falling asleep while playing WoW. This has never happened in my damn life. Oh geez, sorry, my bro. Yeah, I get a bit distracted after the stream, my bro. Someone remind me on Discord to send through the karakia, please. Leveling with your brother. Hey, what you leveling now? I still gotta level my mage, eh? And a monk. Yeah, I still gotta make a monk, bro. What's that like, on Monday? Also, chat, my very favourite lollies, Werther's Originals. Just a shaman on white mane. Oh yeah, bro, I just found out that I've got like a level 70 Fury Warrior and a level 85 shaman on your Jumba too. I was like, bro, I forgot all about these characters. Yo, what up, Kakashi? Not to have 3 different warriors, but that's just like norm for me. Also, I'm starting a YouTube series, my bro. Taking, I don't know, people have probably already done this, but I'm gonna be taking tanking specs into PvP. Yo, jump. Oh, wait, it has free transfers? Yo, what's the Horde server nowadays? I might transfer them over somewhere. Maybe Faralina be the Horde server still, eh? Yeah, I'll just transfer them somewhere. Also, the new raid tier sets, bro. Paladin 1, bro. Paladin. The Lion set and the Steed set that they're getting, bro. Oh, whoever made those, bro. What else? I like the Shaman's one too. Warriors one was kind of ass, I won't lie. And this is from a Warrior stand. Who else did I like? I like the Mage's one. One with the big helmet and the feathers on it. I haven't seen any others though. Yeah, I've been leveling on Benediction with OnlyFans. My hunters are like 70. Got it to 70 last night and then I went to bed because I was tired. And I've been camping, my Horde hunter's been camping in Grizzly Hills. Bro, bro, the sets have been redonkulous, bro. Redonkulous. Also, this is gonna be pure of the highest pure copium. So I don't know if you have seen it. But Funko Pop has released Anduin, a Xalatath, and whatever the elf's name is, Funkos, but the punchline is they released the Illidan one today. So my copium is that Illidan is gonna come back for the World Soul Saga. That's my copium for today, okay? That's going to be my copium. On my bingo card for the new midnight trailer, I'm expecting to see some high definition feet. You heard it here first, chat. Clip it if you want. Midnight launch trailer, I'm expecting to see some high definition Zelatat feet. Clip it and send the word. Light the beacons of Gondor if you have to. I can see it now. That Blizzard will do a fan service. You heard it here first. I think it's gonna happen, guys. I genuinely think it's gonna happen, alright? BTS, your kids got their power to influence musical appreciation. Yeah, they've been listening to, because of that movie, Dragon, K-pop Demon Hunters. I ain't gonna lie, I liked it. There's some bangers on there as well. They heard Le Seraphim through one of my streams when I was playing Overwatch one day. And they like Le Seraphim as well. I don't know too much about K-pop other than that. Yeah. So those are that's my copium and my bingo thoughts for the up and coming WoW stuff. Before I head to bed, I had a long day tomorrow, so enjoy the stream. Oh, Raisin, you have a good day too, Mark. Have a good sleep, bro. Lie down, fart the night away, my bro, and have a good snore, alright? Nah, mihinui, brother, and have a good sleep. Thank you very much for dropping in before you go to bed, my brother. Sleep well, King. Yeah, so, future things, or some things I'm doing on the side. I've got to shoot 3 more podcast episodes. Then I'll start releasing. I want to do a World of Warcraft YouTube series of me. Someone who has never played PvP in the 15 years of his WoW life. Wow, that's a bit... How's it go? And deciding to play PvP now, but being a little bit extra and taking tanking specs into it. Prot Warrior, Prot Paladin, and maybe Brewmaster. Yeah. Those are the only tanks I want to take into PvP. And what else? What else am I thinking of? There's something else. I can't remember what it is. Yo, Bill Malok. Oh, and Mr. Pandaria content too. I want to start pushing out content on my second YouTube channel as well. What in that, JT? Chill, my brother. So yeah, Prot Warrior, Prot Pally, and Brewmaster, the specs I'm going to take in. I think a crit build on Brewmaster be the one, eh? Just taking all the stats from the DPS ones, doing some well. Yeah, oh bro, WoW is one of my all-time favorite games, brother. And I've only done a little bit, like bare minimum. Like, I just captured the first time I ever tanked a dungeon in Classic on hardcore. That's how minimum I've done it. Yeah, it's on my other YouTube channel that I don't really promote that much. Jump back in on that shit. Wee. Yo, JT! Yo, thank you for the 10 bomb, my bro. Guardian Druid PvP is insane. Oh, really? Ooh. Okay. I'll keep... What would you, what stat would you build on, Guardian, my bro? Crit as well? Thank you very much, brother JT, for the 10 bomb. If you did get one of those gifted subs, please give the bro a thank you. Or glaze the hell out of him like a Krispy Kreme donut, alright? I used to play Guardian Druid, can transform that and a Ranger. Oh, okay. It's a beautiful day. Why the hell are you... Chat, to anyone that is listening on Twitch right now, this is something I really need you to do. Please spam purple hearts in the chat for our brother JT. His wife has had her last radiation treatment today. Please just spam the Aroha in the chat. It's something that the brother has been keeping me updated in private. think more so for the fact I'm happy for you too, brother. I know how stressed you've been, and in that situation as well, especially with your whole whānau. Keep spamming chat. There's not enough hearts. Keep going. Keep going. Spam any purple heart you have. Hey, what's up, Miss Bombastic? Morena. Good to see you. How's No Pixel going? Keep spamming hearts, please, chat. It's you know, it's never an easy thing to experience, as some of us know. But I remember the day the brother JT told me I actually sat down with my kids and we did a karakia for him. If you don't know what a karakia is, guys, it's a prayer in my native language. So I prayed to all our atua and to watch over the bro and his whānau and hopefully get through the tough times. But genuinely, brother, from the bottom of my heart, I'm happy for you, always. Don't know why you gifted 10 subs though, you should be using that on your wife. Pina coladas and cookies. Much love to you, my brother. You already know I love you, my bro, just like everyone in the chat too. But genuinely, brother, that's the best news we've had today. The worst news, school holidays. The worst news is that it's school holidays, alright? So I got 2 Donny Thornberries on my bloody neck 24/7 after today. But yes, my bro, always love to you, always, brother, and your wife, and your tamariki as well. Okay, time to touch wood, eh? Hang on. Time to touch wood, guys. Yeah, good news of the day from JT, bad news of the day, school holidays. Just put him to work now, but they didn't put me to work. Now, me and my wife have been trying to plan just a little 3-day holiday away, just for the good, great work they've done over the term. Bit hard, though, in this day and age, bro. Fuel is expensive, so I did $20 fuel yesterday. I was on 0.35 as I just, you know, held on to the latch. And bro, I was already at like $3.60. I was like, what? Bro, that's barely a fart in the bloody thing. That was legit, and it was already at $3. Bro, that was crazy. I won't lie, I was borderline almost Karening. Can't buy, brother JT. Honestly, best news I've heard all week besides school holidays. The kids are too expensive for that and I take their places. Yeah, my bro, so our school holidays are going to consist of... So my middle child, we've got jiu-jitsu training all holidays. My big girl, she wants to carry on with her swimming training. And I've got to take her for basketball drills now because she wants to get into basketball now. Yeah, so the goal is a little bit of iPad, a lot of outside as usual. Like I always teach my kids, no physical, no digital. That's pretty much how I roll. Is it bad? I don't know. It works, okay? It works for me, alright chat? Works for me. I try to get my big girl into jits, but she just wasn't keen, eh? Mine and my wife's second child, she's a bit of a rough around the edges, that one. So she's real confident and headstrong. Yeah, our eldest daughter struggles with confidence a little bit, but she gets it from her mum. Horde mode for Space Marine 2. Oh, does it? I did get a email asking to do a Space Marine thing, but I wasn't too sure about the email because my managers normally look over it. Some of the emails I've been getting lately has been dodgier than the Ugandan prince or the Kenyan millionaire email that we all used to get back in the day. So it's hard for me to judge. Yo, JPX, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. I better go in one moment, chat. Oh, Zoom. So who's that poor Rani? So chat, it was my wife getting the bins. I thought it was some meth head. The last living relative of 700 Ugandan princes. Those are a throwback, eh? The Nigerian prince emails. I remember hearing a lady like ages ago saying, I just got $1 million from a Nigerian prince. I'm like, oh, auntie. Don't do it, auntie.
I was so confident.
Okay, morning.
Morning. I thought I wouldn't get my socks wet today.
Shame. Are you going to the dairy?
God, no, it's raining.
Oh, since it's the last day of school, can I have a PIE?
I'm getting cheese and cream.
Cheese and cream? What
Yeah.
for? Want a weather?
Yeah, of course. I had two.
Yeah.
For those noodles.
Oh, for the noodles, the ball dang dings. That's for lunch, eh? Or can I have a pie for now? Thanks. You're a winner. I love you. I appreciate you. Don't ever change. Fucking annoying lady. No. Don't worry, Chad. It's my wife. Someone actually got like 8k from an actual Nigerian prince after tracking a dude who was using his name. Oh, nah. Hashtag up good. My wife's been marathoning Desperate Housewives lately, chat, while she's on maternity leave. And then to piss her off, I said Devious Maids is better. She's like, ugh, ugly egg. Got to release a video on TikTok today as well, chat. I went into the McDonald's drive-thru and ordered an Arthur Morgan voice. The banter, yeah, my bro. Me and my wife banter all the time. You know what? I wish. Oh, you know what I find funny? Is the partners out there that have those partners. Then you know, if you go in front of them, and they just start, you know, hoiking. Bro, I tell you, if my wife had that, bro, that would be an everyday thing for me. As evil as that may be, oh, bro, it's just too funny. My cousin had it, eh? And my cousin has it, sorry, not had. And she was trying to fight her mans, and then, you know, she went to take the first swing, and he went, and bro, she fell over and just started like doing the sick cat face. Oh, it was funny as. It was just a play fight, but oh, bro, I was in tears, bro. Yo, Morena Valoon, my brother. How you? Oh, have you got it, Bo? Oh, my brother. Bro, I'd so be that one friend, my bro, straight up. I am looking for my skew. I found it. I need to make a snot rocket counter, chat. Banana, she every time I mention that in calls, nature's Goku. What the hell? Yo, brother Ninja, thank you for the 17 months, my bro. Oh, 18, sorry, as an Optimus Prime. Bro, look at him and his top clipper icon. This guy. Chad, I may have gone to the shop yesterday and bought the pink bulldog noodle packet. Chad, I saw something on Twitter today too. How some emote artists were saying that their favorite emotes to do heart emotes, you know, when their character's holding a heart. And I'll be honest, I will stay on this hill. Ever since watching the brother Young Khan, who is an emote artist as well. I ain't gonna lie. All these love or heart emotes with their characters holding a heart in the corner, I'll never unsee it because of what Young Khan told me. It looks like, you know, the character that's holding a heart in the corner is eating a demon's bum. Do I have any emotes to prove my point? I'll never unsee it, eh? Trying to look for some people that have one like that. Because they only do half the heart, eh? And it's in the corner. Oh, well, yeah, I'll never unsee it. Father, I'm not sub to anyone. I can't unsee it. No, not that one. It's, so there's a reason why I had the whole heart on mine. So all these emotes, it's like they're holding the thing and they're in the corner. Because it's only half the heart, eh? And it's like right here. The heart's like right here. And I'll never unsee it because of that reason. I just laughed, bro. I was like, that's actually pretty witty, though. Alright, where are we? Right here. Boom. Thanks for sharing your trauma. Oh, my bro. Sensational. Thank you very much, Ball. Hey, for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, my brother. Chat, I went yesterday as well. I went around looking for the Lord of the Rings books. No one's selling them. Went to the library. Guess what? Someone's stolen them and not returned them. So I just said, bugger it. And I'm going to look for the whole set. Because I really want to start these reading streams for you guys. Honouring the agreement. Yeah, someone actually stole, or like they rented it out, but they haven't returned it in the last like 6 months. I was like, bro, come on now. Isn't that like, I have no idea, brother. That is crazy. I want to buy your audiobook. Yeah, I'll be doing them live on stream, brother. And I'll save the VODs as well. I'm trying to get those. Trying to get those in a Gandalf hat. I'm going to be using my iPad too in the background. I'm going to go on YouTube. And I'm going to YouTube 5-hour long fireplace video. To pretend we're in some cozy little cozy little living room area while I read. I can't go full immersion with the set chat, but I'll make what I have work. That is the plan. That is the plan, chat. A decorative pipe. I actually want to carve one, eh? Like a lot of there are fully carved pipes out there that have been done before. And I'd really be keen to do one as well. Like, I'd really be keen to do one. Moment, chat. We're already halfway through. Yes, I know, bro. This year has gone by really fast, eh? Crazy work, brother. Crazy work. Even to my big girl last night, I went, holy, it's almost your 6th birthday. No doubt about it, bro. And then after that, November's gonna come around real quick, and it'll be my other daughter's birthday. Just thought I'd pop in while waiting on the lacquer to dry. Oh, hello. I'm doing good, doing good. Had the day off yesterday, so I decided to do some dad things and some planning as well. I think I need to give me a bit of a planner so I can see it in front of my bloody eyes every day. Just sorting out a few things, brother, that will hopefully be fun to watch. Oh, and this just come out of the vice. Great. December, yeah, my wife was December as well. She was born Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve she was born. Oh, infamous warrior, I hope you're doing good too, my brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself as well. Much love, my brother. What? corners, bro. Go. Yeah, so we're currently just doing all of this bit by bit, just taking our time. That's the main thing that I'm focusing on right now. Making sure everything looks all good, like along with the butts as well, into all the various corners that we have. Making sure all of those are all good, because we have a lot of wood tags in these corners that we need to get rid of in order to progress forward. And once we've done all of that, then we can what's the word I'm looking for? Then we can do the notches. Because once those are in, then you'll start to see it take shape a lot more as well. Go. Yeah, it's a lot of cut, check, pretty much. I think for next year as well, chat, something that I might consider doing is trying to work with an org or collaborate. Have you tried out? No, I haven't, brother. I haven't tried out Warframe yet. I'm that guy, my bro. If I've got too many games to play, I'll slow down, like ride down. Like the ones I've been focusing on right now is been World of Warcraft, just because the new expansion or the new classic expansion is coming out, along with GTA RP as well, is something I enjoy playing. I made a character last night, just a muck around character, a little bit of SBS. And it's been fun, I ain't gonna lie. I enjoy doing a little bit of SBS. If you don't know what that is, it's like small brain syndrome, just being silly and having fun. That's the type of RP I enjoy from time to time. Probably want some space to try it and get you who really played. So release. Oh, you haven't played since the release of Mob. Damn. Yeah, I won't lie with this classic thing. I wish they stopped at Wrath, but yeah, there seems to be like they're rolling with it some more. And then they're doing Legion Remix as well. I'm probably gonna play that too. Legion was another favorite expansion of mine. It was so good. But I probably won't play a warrior. Trying to play things differently this time around compared to how much I did it differently back in the day. What's up, Gooby? Hey, Box, love you, man. Me and my friend Kens are watching. Can you show him some love? Hey, show brother Ken. Kens. Hope you're well too, my brother. Thank you very much for tuning in with your bro today. We're working on a commission for someone in the chat right now, my bro. Just trying to get through this as efficiently as possible without any major changes, pretty much. So we just finished the design. This is Taratara Akai, this design, and it represents water. My dad used to be one of the top 500 players and had a mad paladin. Oh yeah, what are the classes on there? Because I know from what I've seen is like some hardcore like ninja lord looking classes too. I just see everyone darting all over the place. Dashes for days, swords for days. Yeah, I haven't watched too much. That looks sick, man. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, so we've still got a couple more steps to do with it. But current step right now is just getting it clean. That's the main thing we have to do. And then we can progress. Forward, my bro. But hope you and your bro have been well, brother. Hope you're looking after yourselves too. Sharpen this. Alright. Go. Let me just go and get my phone and side chat. Alright. Carrying on. Also, chat. I've almost the internet died for a second there. Ah, it should be all good. I I also, I've almost hit kick partner too. Crack up. What happened there? I think we're back now. We should be back, eh? Yeah, hopefully. Hold on, chat. May have just broke a bit here, but fixed. Just fixed it. Okay, we're back. We should be back now. Hey, hello, fish on YouTube. I should be able to say it now. I've almost hit kick partner, chat. The requirements are we just have to have a certain amount of chatters come into the chat and comment. The last two are going to be hard though, like really hard to get. We have to consistently get 75 viewers and 25 subs that are not gifted. So like those ones will probably take the longest to do. So I'm still trying to build the channel up. Hey, what's up, Solomon? How are you, brother? Alright. Sleepy. Oh, have a good one, Solomon. Cheers, bro. Make 75 dummy accounts. Oh, bro, I can't even. I can't even answer 10 DMs without feeling exhausted. Ah, Barley, you don't have to do that, brother. Thank you very much for your prime here, my bro. It's more than enough. Thank you, brother. Oh, one moment. Oh. Have you ever made any instruments? I've carved on a guitar before. I haven't carved a guitar. When it comes to instruments, I've done some from my culture, like a ko'owo or putorino. They're like flutes. So we have flutes as well as nose flutes as well. We have these things called pukaia and putatara, which are like trumpets. It's the closest thing I can think of. Hey, Shy Hermit. Oh, just going over and following is fine too, brother. Just exclamation mark multi and you'll see where we are today. I'm currently not live on TikTok, however. Yo, this is Dixie. Dixie Normus. Oh, behave, baby. This is a lot of vagina. Some Austin Powers throwbacks, I see you. This is Dixie. Dixie Normus. That's one of my cousin's middle names, and that is the only acceptable way. The only acceptable name I would call her. Nothing else. Nothing else was acceptable other than that. I better bring TikTok into the mix, eh? How you, Dixie? Not many people catch the Austin Powers reference anymore. I hope it was your little brother. Nah, it was girl. My wife hates Austin Powers, bro, and that made me love it even more. That and Nacho Libre. Yeah, that made me love the movie even more because of that reason. Yeah, purely because of that reason, bro. I was like, oh, I like this movie some more. It is our jobs as husbands to annoy our wives. But she brings that same energy too, especially in bed. Last night I went into bed, just finished doing some streaming stuff, and she put her feet on my back. They were cold as too. I was like, you, capital K-U-N-T. Sup, Saviki? Shit was funny, but I haven't seen Nacho. Oh, brother, you gotta watch Nacho Libre, my bro. Nacho Libre is one of my favorite movies. Those eggs are a lie, Esqueleto. A lie. They give me no eagle powers. Peter, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Good morning, TikTok. How are you? I've been on for about an hour now. My phone was flat. I do apologise for that too. Sorry. Give it a watch sometime, brother, when you can. And let me know what you think. Ara kukuchacha. Ara kukuchacha. One moment. Focusing a little. And I'll get this out of the way. Alright. What in a TikTok? How are you doing this morning? Kia ora tātou katoa. Hope we're doing well. Love from Ireland. How are you doing, brother JD? Brother Jimmy? Morning. How you doing, yo Ermovix? Did I say that right? I'm doing good, my brother. Let me point the camera up here. Have a wee bit of a break so I can look at yous and talk at yous. Thank you very much, Irish Fish. How we doing, guys? Morning. Morning to TikTok that's just tuning in now as well. Yes, we are multi-streaming from TikTok to Twitch to Kick and YouTube. So I'm doing a school project about Maori culture and ended up finding you. Find a call about your culture, especially made out of wood or jade. And I'm very lucky to find you. Yo, Fish, what are you doing in your school project, man? See if I can help you right now. How long you doing this? I have been carving since I was 12. Wait, you're the guy. What's up, Eli? Shit, my brother. Yeah, Fish, while I'm live, I'll try and help you while like now, if I can. With your music. Yeah, I needed some ambient music, my bro. Yo, thank you very much for the roses, Morena. We've been just cleaning up this Heimato at the moment, this fish hook. Have seen some of your work on Instagram. Oh, do you follow it, brother? Thank you, my bro. Which reminds me, I should really do commands for my channel too.
Panadol Extra relieves pain.
Panadol Extra? Okay. Shit, I don't pay for YouTube Premium. I'd rather buy a pie and a drink.
You're ticket to a world of wonders.
Sorry. I'd rather buy pink bulldog noodles. Which, by the way, we are having for lunch today. Pink bulldog noodles. Did my school project on you, my inspiration? How did it go? I hope you got a good score. Or a good result. If there's anyone that is doing like school projects, I hate to say it, with me in it, message me so I can help you if it helps, I guess, you know. I don't know how to say it. Does it help clear the head when you carve? Yep, it does, brother Aaron. And saying that too, it's not only carving, it's gym as well, and going for a walk. Those are other things that clear my mind as well. Yo, brother Bowles over on Kick now. Appreciate you, my bro. What's up, Daniel? Yo, nicer. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, good sir. Where do you live? I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. I stay in a town called Rotorua, which is the heart of Maori tourism. Also, yeah, we're in a giant geothermal crater. Do you want to hear my tourist voice? Or my tourism voice? One's in the chat and I'll tell you. I'll use my tourism voice here. I'll just do it anyway. So after every kapahaka performance that we did in Maori tourism, so I did kapahaka as a job. Easy job. Does get harder in the summertime, however, because it's show after show after show after show, and especially it's hard when you get like those lazy performers that sing to themselves instead of projecting their voice out for the crowd and giving them their money's worth. Okay. So normally after every show, we'd stay behind for photos, and then we'd tell everyone that there's a guided tour. And it goes like this. So this is my tourism voice. Kia ora. Kia ora, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your applause throughout the show. Did you all enjoy the show? The crowd goes, yay. Give me a round of applause one more time for Te Rōpū Te Kuninga. Now, ladies and gentlemen, shortly after our words here, we are going to let you have the opportunity to come forward, take some photos of the group, with the group, as a group from the area space below. Now, after the photos, ladies and gentlemen, every hour on the hour is a guided tour. If you cross the courtyard into the carving section there where the tours start. Now, if you do not want to take a tour, ladies and gentlemen, go and enjoy some lunch. Once again, those tours are every hour on the hour. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, before we part ways and enjoy our photos, I will leave you with a small proverb or whakatauki in our native language, which reads, Kia hora te marimo, kia whakapapapauna mu te moana, kia tere te ka rohi rohi I mua I o koutou huarahi. Translated, may the calm be widespread, may the seas glisten like our green stone, and may the shimmer of sunlight dance across your path now. And until we next meet again, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all enjoyed the show. One more time, kia ora! Kia ora! So I had to do that number every day after the shows. Benito, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime over on Twitch as well, my bro. Cherry brother Baal. Yeah, so with kapahaka, with tourism, we had to do like photos, you know. Get your photo, get a photo, and then guide everyone to the tours. Sometimes, anka I flew, ai, kei te mohioi te kōrero. When I was born, that was the first language I heard. So my mum, it was pretty much just my mum in the hospital and my grandparents. And pretty much when they were born, my grandparents asked, can everyone be quiet when baby comes out? And when I was born, my grandparents and my mum spoke Maori. So I could hear, you know, I don't remember this, but I could hear them speaking Maori and our native language first. And then eventually, you know, throughout my life, started hearing English. Or Te Reo Pākehā. Yo, what's up, Nakura? Thanks to you, a big hug from Spain. Oh, kia ora, my brother, all the way in Spain. Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much for the gifties as well, guys. What else? Yeah, no, it was hard for me to adjust when I was a kid to an English-speaking school because me myself didn't know how to speak English as well. So it was a bit of a culture shock too. Keep in mind, I didn't know anything about maths either. What they taught at the school I went to was more immersed in our culture. I would love your help. So for the facial tattoo, the moko for the man, it's normal to have only tattoos on the face. or for the body. So traditionally, fish on YouTube, the mataora, which is the males, and the moko kauai, which is the ladies, those were two of the particular facial tattoos that we had, or tattoos in general. Moko, the other one, was on the stomach, 360 degrees right around, right on where the sun don't shine as well, on the legs, right down to the knees. So that's a puhoro. Oi! Thank you very much to the Red Mexican. Wait, can I say that? Too late now if I can't. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. So that's called a puhoro, but in this day and age, the facial tattoos or the mataora and the moko kauai is only for us Maori. So it's to break it down, it was a way for us to identify. It was our identity, kind of like a CV, if you could tell where someone was from, depending on the patterns that they had on the face. Keep in mind, traditional times, they didn't tattoo, they etched into the skin. So if you look at a lot of the old photos of my ancestors or my forefathers as well, you'll see that it's been cut into the skin, not so much ink applied onto the skin. So yeah, a very old technique with a uhi. Uhi is the traditional tattooing tool that we had. It was like a little stick that would either have like a fragment of a bird bone on it, eh? So they'd etch the line in, use another one, open the line up, and yeah, you could. So if you look at all the very old photos, you'll see them quite clearly as well. So yeah, with the men, they get the full face, and the ladies get the moko kauai, which is a smaller, compact one. Doesn't mean that ours is above theirs. They both have the same meaning, okay? From what I've been told too, the ladies' moko kauai can be referenced back to when Maui tried to reverse the effects of death when he went down into the underworld, went looking for Hine Nui Te Po, who is the goddess of death. Basically what he did, he turned into a caterpillar or a ngangara, and he started crawling up her leg. So the way we are born was the way he was going to go in and out of her mouth. And unfortunately he wasn't successful because a piwaiwaka, or a fantail, was laughing at him and what he had turned into. Smelly and stained retainer. Bro, why are you putting ads on game music, you little scam artist? Freeze on YouTube. Bro, this music don't even belong to you. What a tiroi. So yeah, he tried to reverse the effects of death, but it was a bird that gave him up, and then she eventually closed her legs on him, and he died. So in a sense, it can imitate him trying to crawl out of her mouth as well. From what I've been told, again, it can represent the ruru. Now, the owl in our culture is a very spiritual animal, probably the animal that is closest to the spirit realm as well. Like coming from Tūhoe as well, they say if an owl flies in front of you, something bad's gonna happen. And there's been an instance where we were on the school bus and there was this big sucker perched up on a fence just looking at the cars drive by, and then eventually what happened, there were a lot of funerals that happen at home, or a parekura. So a parekura is when, you know, a lot of our loved ones pass away, all in close proximity of one another. So I remember when that happened, when we saw that big sucker on the fence. I know it's a bit different here in Te Arawa. Their bird that is the fantail, like it is for us with the owl. Okay, I missed a few comments on TikTok as well. Manu, thank you for the roses. I saw someone asking about a moko. Thank you for sharing, Box. It's awesome how different cultures do different things to celebrate births. My mum sang an old Gaelic lullaby when I was born. Yo, that's cool, Dixie. Owls are very suspicious. I don't trust a bird that can turn its head right around, eh? Yeah, man, that's sus. That's sus as. You will never sneak up on no owl, bro. Yo, what up, Admiral? Hope you have a great stream today. I appreciate you, my brother. Hope you're doing good too. Hope you're doing good today too, my brother. Yeah, Fish, if you have any other questions before we carry on carving too, let me know. Any advice on getting my first moko? Be sure you go to someone whose work you like, you know. That's the main thing you want to do. And keep in mind, you know, don't get it for the looks. You remind me of my father-in-law. I hope he was nice. I hope he is. Oh, he was. Oh my gosh. I did a Kaiser nut when he said RIP to the bro and he gifted him like 10 subs. Close enough. I charge Oh yeah. Sorry, brother. Yeah, there's a lot of animals out there that are in our culture that are really like that. Like the moko, which is a lizard. A very, very spiritual animal in our culture too, the moko. Like not in a bad way, in a good way too, but it kind of depends what happens eh? Can I see your tamoko please? I guess so. Yo, Juggalotus, thank you very much for the 30 months, my bro. You followed me on Kick TV. If you are, let me know so I can give you an OG badge. Alright. Oh. Gonna show my moko chat before we carry on. Thank you for the 30 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Oh yeah. Have you thought about starting an online service teaching carving techniques? Yes, but I wouldn't mind just, you know, teaching, but at the same time it's a bit iffy because of what's happened with the haka. There was a couple in Brazil that try to say they were, you know, kapahaka professionals and they were charging like top dollar for their classes, and I do not want that to happen to Whakairo. Whew, it's cold. So this is my arm here, alright? Let me move it down so you can see it a bit more. This is my arm. This is my moko. I got this when I was 30. So I turned 32 years ago. That was my reasonings for getting it. Saying goodbye to one chapter in my life and saying hello to the next. So we start at the top. So this is my family on this side. So that's our middle child now. She was our youngest. This is my eldest daughter, and that's my wife. That's my wife there. On the front, this is my grandfather. This is my grandmother here. And this is my mum. So on the top here is me carrying my family, my mum, you know, my grandparents, and then my very own family on the other side. Yeah, I knew you were here, Jug. I'll give you an OG badge too, my bro. Underneath, right there, that's my sister. So the reason why she's underneath is because she passed away. And obviously within this world we can't see those loved ones that are not around anymore. And that's why I asked her to be put underneath my arm, because we can't see her. That's why. I'll be getting my next daughter's our baby up the top here, so she's gonna go up the top, like right around. So that's where she's gonna go. So in between my arm too, you see a lot of these singular solid lines. One there, one there. There's another one underneath too. So those represent the maunga where I'm from. Maunga means mountain. So those are the mountains I come from. Where I used to live, or where I come from, a lot of lofty mountains or maunga around there. It's a very isolated place too. In between all those solid lines, you'll see all the kōwhaiwhai, including the ones up the top here, underneath. Those represent all the rivers that flow through my homeland. Obviously there's more than one, but the multiple rivers that flow through my homeland is what those all represent. So going a bit closer to, you'll see here, like throughout my arm is this design here. So they call it unonahi. Unonahi is a design that represents fish scales in water. And that's what that means in the carving world. For me and for my story, this represents ngā huru manu. Ngā huru manu are bird feathers. So where I come from, it's real rural, and a lot of bird life out there as well. So it's throughout my entire arm pretty much. On my forearm, you can probably just see it, there's popo here, or two-dimensional carving. I should just say shave this bit so you can see it, eh? So there's a head there. So head there, arm, body, two legs, and a face at the bottom too. So I'll give you a close-up. Twitch kick in YouTube right there, so you can see it. Yo, Scotland forever, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. I just saw that. Thank you very much, my brother. There it is there, guys. Head, arm, body, legs, and another face. So, on my forearm is the realm of Whakairo, so wood carving. And, oh, God's failed. That's a name I have not seen in a long time. I was thinking about you last week too, seeing how you and your work was going. Hope you've been good, bro. One more thing. You see that eye there? That represents the paua, abalone seashell. That's what that represents. So as a whole, it all comes down to the individual. When it comes to their moko, what they wanted to represent. Who did mine? Te Wehi Inc. on Instagram. TEWEH. Holy hell. HI. Far out, I can't English today. Search him up, he's my cousin. I wanted someone from the same tribe as me to do my one. So I wanted someone from home to do mine. And I didn't go with the design, I just told him I want to get my sleeve done. I'll leave it to you. And he goes, let's go. And it took about 7 hours. Main reason why it took so long, because we were talking shit so much, that's why. So every moko can represent a person's story, basically, yeah. From their story to their genealogy and where they come from. So in our culture we have these things called pepeha. P-E-P-E-H-A. What's your take on non-Polynesians getting the style of tattoos? As long as you know what's been applied to your arm, there should be no problem, although there will be those boomers that may run at you with Shrek syndrome, pitchfork, torch in one hand and say, you shouldn't get that, rah rah rah. Okay? That's my take on it, but hey, if you know what's been applied onto your arm and you know the story, there should be no problem. Life's good, man. Love your sleep. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a long time, my bro. 61 months as a tier 3 is crazy. Thank you very much, my bro. Nah, good to see you doing good, brother. Straight up. Cheer, brother Ed over on TikTok as well. Is this the OG spot you've always streamed at? Yeah, pretty much. Oh. And over there, on the grass. There's a reason why I don't stream on the grass, because it's raining. Yeah. It's raining 5 years, bro. See you in October. Oh, you're off again, my bro. Hey, I hope work goes well, brother. And your life too. And yeah, see you in October, my bro. Straight up. Appreciate you, bro. Straight up. The infamous Tongaloa. Where is Tongaloa? Is he injured again? I won't lie, my favourite's Jacob Fatu. Until Can I get a tamoko from a different tribe or no? Doesn't necessarily matter the tribal stuff in my opinion, because every single artist, tamoko artist within all the tribes of our country, all do the same thing. Moko. There seems to be a common opinion on planting a sleeve when I've studied the Hawaiian language for a year and leg when I've... Yeah, I'd be keen to get something from Hawaii too. Probably just my forearm. I'd love to get something on my forearm. Or my back, pretty much. Do you like Jacob Fatu? Yeah. Jacob Fatu's the man. I should do a TikTok, eh? How are you, brother? I'm doing good, my bro. Had a busy day yesterday. I just wanted to spend time with the baby yesterday. What's up, Theo T? Yeah, I wanted just some quality time with the baby yesterday and just chill with her. Yo, Jug, I don't know if you're still on kick. I'm gonna go inside and try and give you OG badge real quick. One moment. Okay. Where are we? Sorry, I said to do something inside. Lola and Tola Adventures. Hey, hello. What do you do on your account? I see adventures and I gotta know. I think I gave you OG badge, Jug. Alright, shall we carry on? Just had to give the bro a little bit of an explanation there. Then we can carry on. Crazy, it's cold out. Yeah, it's pretty cold, eh? I won't lie. Although, you know, I don't mind a heavy rain on a corrugated iron roof. That's bliss for me, I won't lie. Okay, to those that are tuning in right now, this is what we've been up to. We've been carving this hook here, this heimato, for a viewer. And we're just on the cleaning portion of this whole design for now. Once we've done all the cleaning, then we add another element to this design called taratara hakai, and they're going to be notches all over this carving as well. Yeah, I was hoping the weather would be good for the holidays, eh? So I could go and do some more filming. I want to post up my men's mental health video. I want to post that up and a few others too. How long is this piece taking you to do? Oh, I honestly forgot. I don't really keep track, eh? I just do it, brother. Sorry. Is that carved redwood? Yeah, so this timber is called totara. Totara is how you spell it. And it is a native red pine as well. Thank you very much, BK, for the aroha. Kia ora. Savido. What are you carving? Ezra, we're doing a heimato, so a fish hook. The middle section will get cut out as we get closer towards the end as well. So once we get closer to the end, then we can cut this middle section out. Ooh, what's that? Is that the zombie alarm? I don't know. Borderline sounds like a train. Thought it was the zombie alarm or something. You smell what the final boss is cooking. I'm not gonna lie. Not a fan, eh? Not a fan of that. The final boss stuff. Not a fan. Can't say I'm a fan. Sorry. Where was I carving? Oh no. So, yo, Theodore, thank you very much for the gifty as well. The rock should stay away. Halsey Music, hello, over on Kick. Nice to see you. Kia ora, kia ora. Yo, Toots, thank you very much, and Alishko as well. Nami nui korua. Tempted to play some licensed music again, chat. Sad to see the S go. Yeah, bro, a lot of people have been, because I posted a video about it all over socials and everyone like, oh, I haven't seen those since I used to be a kid. And all these young people are like, well, actually it's the Stasi sign. I was like, oh, you're not from the era, my bro. We did that way before then. Greetings from Germany. Kia ora, Halsey. What's up, Mrs. Crazy? How are you too? Thank you very much. What's that? Is that a bubble emoji as your name? Thank you very much. Some hardcore music, eh? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I want to play anything kind of mood today. Yo, YouTube. It might be an early day today. It might be, alright. It might be an early day for YouTube today, so we can play anything, alright? Oh, Brox, you have heard of someone called, I found him during my essay work, he raps about UK politics and that's pretty, oh really? Have to have a listen, my bro. Yeah, I'm not too all-knowing when it comes to drill in the UK, my bro. How is your study going too, brother? Bam, 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 bam. last I checked was on around 9.2k words. Nice, brother. What's up, Al Pudding? But I realized you're right. What was I right about? Thank you very much, Brother Barry, or Elgin Barry. Did I say that right? Thank you very much, Nerdster and Mia. Mia, really want to see ya. Sorry, if I see names that remind me of movies, I just say it. My bad. Gosh, all these little wood tags, bro. El Grande Americano was here. Hey, fantastic coming. Thank you, Electric Whittler. Thank you, brother. It's pretty damn good. Oh, okay, brother. Spartan Astro, hello on Twitch, my bro. El Grande Americano. I remember hearing that for the first time. I was thinking it was a coffee or something. Do you know who I need the WWE to stop slandering right now? Is Penta, man. Go do adult. All good, Ball. All good, brother. I feel that. Have a good one, my bro. Thank you very much, Geo, for the hearts. And Middle Life Crisis for the ferns. And also going back to Arta as well for the cats. And wait, it's not middle. What is that word? Oh, midlife. Middle life. Thank you, brother. Sorry about that, my bro. Okay. Because so much little things to do, guys. How do you feel about Diddy Dom? Overrated or underrated? I think he's doing good now. I felt like it was the same thing every week. But since he got the championship, bro, it's been cool. Good to see him getting a push. I'm happy that Fatu's getting his singles pushed now. Bro, he deserves it. Hey, let me keep it 100. Oh, Shamaya, what's up? Long time no see. I chose to use Swiss ones, my bro. Good morning, Us. Hey, what's up, Bruzo? How are you? How are you, brother? The timber itself is Totara. It's T-O-T-A-R-A, which is a native timber as well, brother. Brother, you've been good. Been busy as having more kids. Nah, me and my wife had another baby about a month and 2 weeks ago. Another girl. So, when they become teenagers, it's gonna be great. I just, all I have to do, my goal is to raise them to be honest, And if they bring little fuckheads to whatever house we live in, make sure they use the front door. Because we've all been there, ain't you? Even I jumped through a couple of windows in my time. Yeah, man jumped through a couple of windows in my time too. How's life been? Good and busy, my bro. What's up, Quay? How are you, brother? Gleedroy, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well on Twitch, brother. Yeah, what's up, Rain? How's it going? Pretty good today, my bro. Pretty good. Alright, we need to swap this around now. Yeah, she's our little Milky Bar baby. Obviously, you know, I'm of darker complexion to my wife. And our baby's quite fair like her mum, so we call her Milky Bar. Is she super? Nah, she's got black hair as well. But our middle daughter's a spitting image of me, like dark hair, jet black eyes, or brown, or dark brown eyes. Our eldest, she's got she looks more like her mum, but hazel, got the hazel eyes going on. What is the largest project you've done so far? On my own, it would be the first carvings I ever done on stream. Yeah, without a doubt. Okay, I need another piece of wood. Man, I want a Milky Bar. How good, eh? How good are they, bro? Here we go. There we go. Getting it from different angles now. Yeah, so we've been doing a little bit on this, but still a lot more to do as well. It's not part of the Orc law. Yeah, our eldest daughter's a spitting image of her mother. Even the way she is too reminds me so much of her mum. She's a real Mother Hubbard out of all of her cousins. Like, she'll always look out for the babies. Like, even though we're all together, like if the babies ever need help, she's always the one that's there with them. Her great grandmother, if she needs help, she's always there. That's something I really love about her too. She really loves her grandparents. Well, it shows a lot of love for, you know, the elderly. And that has always been something I've been proud about when it comes to her. Yeah, shit, just looking for some kabaka to play. Ads on a kapahaka video are never a good sign, just saying. But we'll leave it, eh? Yeah, that's one of the things I'm very proud of when it comes to our big girl. A real loving and caring person when it comes to not only her grandparents but all the elderly that she may come across in life. Because that's the way I was taught too by my grandparents. Malaki hei nā kau mātua boy. My words from my grandfather. Always look out for the elderly. What's up, old cat? Hang on. Thank you very much, Gubby, for the hearts, my bro. Do you build these pieces for sale? Yes, I do. However, with this one, it's purely being given to a viewer. Yeah, it's just being given, my bro. Better see if my wife needs help with it. Oh, sorry about that, chat. She's all good. What exactly are you carving? Is it traditional carving? I'll do the middle section where the holes get drilled. So a heimato, you normally find this form in a pendant form. So these are normally used as a whakakai or a taonga. But someone wanted it in a larger scale, and that's what we're up to. This here, I only drilled these holes so I could mark on the other side where I needed to mould. And all of this will get cut out towards the end of it as well. One moment, chat. Whew. Who's the angry guy in the background? Ah, that's not angry at all. That's just oracle speaking. That is not angry whatsoever. If I kōrero tērā, that's an oracle speech. Just, he was talking about the love the local tribe has shown them, and you know, shouting out to his friend, even though he's not performing, he's a judge for the competition that they were in. I'm in Canada, and carving reminds me of the traditional soapstone carving done here. Oh, really? Is that quite soft, that soapstone? Dat fan, thank you very much for the roses. How are you today? Looking great. I'm doing good, 350Z. I'm doing good, my brother. Thank you for asking. It's been a busy was a busy day yesterday, but good in a way. And I just wanted to have some quality time with my daughter. Okay. How many hours do I think I put in this? I don't know, brother. Your best luck is to count all the VODs. That's your best thing you could probably do, my bro. Count all the VODs with a fish hook in it, my bro. And you will have your answer. You'll have your answer, my friend. Yeah, that'd probably be your best bet. Paulie, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. And Hazza as well. Thank you very much, breathers. Where are we? Over here. Where are we? Oh, Brox, I forgot to mention that my job interview will be on the 10th of July for the police, so slap bang in the middle of my essay due date. Oh, god damn. Hey, you'll be all good, brother. Straight up. Hey, what's up, Social Club? Doing good, my bro. Doing good. Just, yeah, busy with life, my bro, as we all are. Outside of the stream. Thank you very much, Paulie and Hazza, once again. Hey, brother, from Cape Town in South Africa. Hey, brother, how are you? Been here since 2020. Hope you're having a great time too. Cheer, brother Gazzy. I'm doing good, brother. Trying to invest more time into YouTube with the little amount of time I have in my days. I want to try and hit 500k on YouTube by mid next year. That's the plan anyway. Yeah, and I try and hit 500k subscribers on YouTube by mid next year. Hey, from Galway, Ireland. Hey, brother. As you're making YouTube content, thank you, my bro. Yeah, it's something I really want to do and focus on. I've been in my free time. I've been taking some snippet videos for a video that I'm doing as well. Doing a lot of snippet videos, and hopefully we can upload them to YouTube soon so we can share them with the whole world. Hey, thank you, brother Social Club. Thank you, brother. Greetings from Panama. Kia ora. Running with Pikachu. Thank you very much for your awesomes. Kia ora. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, it's a bit of a slow and steady pace with where we're at on this right now, chat. And that's how it's kind of going to be right now. Till we get to where I want it to be. Kind of just focusing on all this. And then we can eventually carry on. They actually put ads on a couple of the videos. That's crazy.
Batch roasted with care for a rich aroma and
That is pretty cringe, man.
leader. A new male leader today for Angi 2. Kiri Wihungi is not going to be leading today, and there he is. Leads to a new male leader. Those are the two that will lead.
Thank you very much, Hernie. Kia ora.
Let's cross to the stage now. Tiwi. Here they are representing Tama.
Best of luck to each of your endeavors. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, I want to do my best. I think longevity wise, like what I'll be on, like, you know, say the day comes when I stop on Twitch, I still want to upload YouTube videos as well. If, you know, say that day happened one day. That's one of our instruments there, chat. Pu tatara or pukaya. That big long ass trumpet sound you may have heard. Tauhenga. Tauhenga. Oh, there you go. What's the time? It is currently 11:37. Yo, Twitch, how long we been on for? Surely like an hour and 30, right? What feels like an hour and 30 minutes? This kapahaka group that you can hear, chat. The haka that they did this year talks about, they did a haka about the dangers of AI to our culture. Hey, True Thunder. Just over 2 hours. Oh, yeah. It's crazy. I remember you from the one time someone gifted you a sub and wanted to give it back. Yo, what's up, Ferris? Kia ora. Hope you're doing good. I might have to ease off our TikTok streams for a bit, eh? They're getting a bit quiet. So I did say that if they get quiet, I'll stop because I feel like I might be on a bit too much. Always fresh and relaxing to come across. Just want to make sure. Yo, Dylan, thank you for the roses, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, sometimes I always think I might be a bit on too much. Where am I on here? Over here. There we go. Alright. Shit. Oh man. It's corner, bro. Has to change the angle up again. Another one. Oh jeez, ow. No way they put ads on this one too. That's crazy.
Cops had to retreat, bro.
Oh jeez. Hold on guys.
Yo, nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me do my shit. I'm sorry. Listen. Oh, Vinny, tell him, man. Watch your fucking mouth. Tell that bitch that I'm shanking. 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 Nobody is when you see me.
Oh, you bastard. Fuck. That was sore. Yo, what up, Blazer? I'm doing good, my brother. How are you? Mario as well. Let's go. God damn. When you hear that sound, you better get down. That's Bobby Crack Brown. Hey, much love, Bella. Over on TikTok, I just saw your comment, my bro. Fine, do. All these little bloody tags, chat, bloody annoying. Thank you very much, Devin, for the roses over on TikTok as well. Yo, Mance! Oi, what the 60 months? Yo, brother Mance G, thank you very much for the 60 months, my brother. Whee! Thank you very, very much for the Aroha, my bro. Crazy support, my brother. Thank you very, very much for being here for 60 months, my bro. As a sub. As a sub. Crazy work, brother. Thank you very much. Buzzy, my bro. Buzzy. Thank you very much, brother. One moment, chat. Oh, there's one bit. Oh no! Oh no, we're good. We're good. We're good. How you, brother? Blaze, you been doing good, brother? Are you Samoan? Nah, brother, but I'm not, brother.
Sometimes projects can involve multiple
Bro.
documents. Adobe Acrobat streamlines our processes, allowing us to combine and organize all the
Screw
files
you,
in one
man.
project.
Let me just go and put this inside. I'll move this iPad. Lost without you, can't help myself. How does he? Whoa! Just fell over the. Just fell over the TikTok. You look Islander. Well, Maori are Polynesians. They do come under that category, although our own people get up in arms when people do call them Polynesians, though. Which I think is pretty dumb, to be honest. And, you know, when my people do stuff like that, I think it's kind of dumb when they do that. that we need to go. So what to share with you? That deep dark secret. Sitting alone. Okay, got another bit that we need to work on. You will know, you will know. Putting a ring on your finger is the only way to get back, baby. You a lot of romantic, but I know how to get your heart racing. Baby, sit out the line, let our boats entwine. Find yourself a love to hug, kiss, and caress. Any places you want to travel to? Would love to go back to America. Not anytime soon. Maybe after World War III. Where else would I like to go? To the islands as well. Rarotonga, Tahiti, Hawaii, where our ancestors, travelled to in their time. Switzerland. Would love to go there for the mountain-esque, very scenic, and very blue rivers. I think it's Switzerland. Where else would I like to go? Where else? Ireland, Scotland. I like to go there. Yeah, a few places I'd love to go to. But maybe when the world's not having a global dick swinging competition, then I would love to go. Yeah, I keep seeing all the scenery when it comes to Switzerland, and bro, mountains on mountains, bro. How good. That's kind of my favorite kind of scenery, like mountains, like real wild untouched land, pretty much. From the USA, hey brother. Do you do any wood burning? No, I've never actually done wood burning before. Like never. I do know a wood burner though. Yeah. Cause the snow on the mountains, there's a glacial water from a glacier. Just me. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. This is glacial water. This is water from a glacier. But like that one time, when was it Ludacris? I think he drank like glacial water in Antarctica. I'm like, I drank probably the most infested water ever. After a long day at work and seeing you on live is the best. Hey, put your legs up, my bro. Let a bit of a post-work fart and relax. That's how one releases the ultimate stress jet. You sit on your couch and let one rip and sink down into the couch. Hey, it's either a fart or a post-work shit, and one you've been leaving on slow cook all day. Do not lie to me, chat. I know. Because when I used to work a 9 to 5, I'd get home and my wife goes, "Hey, babe," and I'm like, "I need to take a shit." We're like, "I'll hold the baby soon. I gotta go to the toilet." Yeah, bro. Yeah, hold the baby soon. I need a shit. Someone needs to light a candle. Ain't no way, my bro. This guy. Putting a ring on your finger is the only way. Yeah, we need to sharpen up our skew. Hey, what's up, our God first? Much love, brother. How are you? Where are we? How we doing, Kick? You's all good? Need to work on me Kick channel some more. But we've almost hit partner on Kick as well, which is crazy. We just got those last, so I think I was at 168 unique chatters. I need to get to 250 or 200. I think it was 250. Hold 75 viewers and get 25 subs. Like, that's individual, not so much gifted. And then we hit Kick partner as well, which is crazy. Crazy work, but it's been really fun. It's been really fun. What is our time? Kick quite active then. Oh, I got a big raid from someone from NoPixel. Someone from NoPixel saw me and knew who I was, but they didn't know I actually played in the server. We don't know what NoPixel is, chat. It's a big GTA RP server. And yeah, they raided me. Huge raid, like 918. And that smashed out a couple of the Kick requirements, which was pretty buzzy. So definitely grateful for that. Can you do a double backflip into a split? No, why the hell would I do that? I'm 32. I'm 139 kgs. No thank you. I'm good. Show us your chisels. Ah, they're kind of behind you guys, but the cord on the camera is only so long. Do a backflip, do a raw. I don't have a hammer, just a mallet. So I've had this mallet since 2014. It was my tutor's, and he was gonna, biff it away and use it to make a carving out of it, but I said, I'll have it. And yeah, I've had my tutor's mallet since 2014 on my first day at the carving school I went to. I've carved many meeting houses, many large scale carvings, done multiple amounts of commissions and like carvings in general. And yeah, this has been my main one since 2014. Yeah, since 2014 is when I had it, or when I started using it, pretty much. And will continue to do so. I'll probably carry on using this till I can't use it no more. What's good, man? How you, brother? What's goody? Where are we? Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get more people on all our other socials, all our other streaming platforms as well. Lizzie, thank you very much for the rose, and Man for the roses as well, and I don't know for the roses, and Lizzie once again. Kia ora, kia ora. I want to get some more emotes done. Thank you, I don't know, and Lizzie. I'm probably going to start moving the lion stuff out shortly. Have you ever taken business or... No, I've never taken business class or first class. Just, what is it? Economy. Yeah. Oh, that's too much money. I don't have that kind of money to splurge on a seat. Hey, what's up, Gina? I've been seeing a lot of your TikToks popping up. Hope you've been looking after yourself and your dad too. Much love to you, always. How long did your tutor have their mallet for? I don't know. Yeah, I genuinely don't know. Yeah, I've been keeping up with your content a lot too. So not a lot, but you know, it pops up on my FYP. Hey, Iorana, all the way from Tahiti, I see. Putting a ring on your finger is the only way to get by, baby. You a lot of romantic, but I know how to get your heart racing. Yeah, I don't know how long my tutor had this one for, but how long has it been since 2014? Like 10, 11 years is how long I've had this for. Yeah, 10, 11 years I think. I don't math, so I kind of just guessed it. Have to carve yours and his names and pass it down. Oh, bro, I am not passing this down, bro. When my day comes, this is coming with me. Hell nah. That's the one time in my life I'm gonna be a shellfish and take it with me. Man, I put all the money in this, my bro. This has to come with me, bro. Joe Matua, how are you? What town are you in? I live in Rotorua. Te Rotorua Nui a Kahumata Momo is where I live. And I have been here since 2009. I moved here to learn my grandmother's genealogy in my final year of high school as well. 2009. Far out. That's a long time ago, bro. 2009 was my final year at high school. At Rokura, Rotorua Boys High School. Thank you, Puddin'. Yeah, we're kind of in like the wind down period of the stream now, guys, where we just chill out. But I want to say thank you very much to everyone that's watching on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, and Kick today as well. Favorite video game of all time, Sonic, because that was kind of the game that got me started back in the day. If I have to choose another, it'd probably be WoW. WoW will be the one. Are you the voice of Korg? Nah, I'm not, brother. I'm not. Yo, Drizik, thank you very much. So easy to do without looking now, chat. So just shoot. Oh! Still got it. Nothing too crazy. Always love seeing you come across my FOP. Good luck on the builds. Thank you, No Luck Duck. Cheers, brother. I tried to get the full skills and frame, but clipping is a bug on the phone. Yeah, bro, I feel that. Oh, yeah. It's alright. I'll upload it to YouTube. How much does your art sell for? It kind of depends on the piece itself, I'd say. Always. It always does. How much would I sell this for? I'd probably undercut myself, because nice guy. I won't lie, when it comes to being a carver, I don't know if it's for artists in general, money's always a hard thing to talk about. I won't lie. Always has been, because you know, I feel like that guy a lot of the time, talking about money and you know how much it costs. It feels yeah. It's always made me feel that way, like, ooh, I feel rude. I don't know if it happens, if it's the same feeling for other artists. I know there's a few moko and carvers that feel the same way when it comes to this kind of conversation. Jeez. Sorry, chat. Whew. Thank you very much, Theo, for the rose. Other finished carvings. Oh, they're all inside, my bro. You from New Zealand? Hi, Ricky. I am, my brother. No Aotearoa hoki ahau. It's a conversation you have. Yeah, I know. It's always a conversation you have to have. It's a conversation, however, I don't mind having with family because they're normally the stingiest ones. One of my aunties, she asked for a taiaha, which if you don't know what that is, it's a 3/4 staff, like a weapon. And my auntie goes, "Oh, hey nephew, how much for a taiaha?" I went, "Oh, probably like between 8 and 1,000 for you." And she goes, "Ooh, that's too much." And whatever. Rings up again the next week. "Hey nephew, how much for a taiaha?" I me, "Oh, between 1,000 and 2,000." That's too much. Hangs up again. Rings up one more time and then she goes, "How much for a taiaha?" Nephew sent me 3K. He goes, "Oh, never mind." She's like, they are the worst. They can be the worst. Do you have a favorite Pokemon? Blastoise, Gen 1, Gen 2, Fraligator. What was Gen 3? I think I chose Blaziken. Gen 4. What was Gen 4, guys? What was Gen 4? Is that Chestnut in all of them? I think I remember choosing Chestnut. I stay away from humanoid Pokemon because of the original Pokemon version and their book you can find, and the Japanese version where the book talks about how they had intercourse with the humanoid Pokemon. Yeah, if you like humanoid Pokemon, chat, you're a red flag. You are probably a furry. Just saying. Yeah. In the original Pokemon Japanese or version, I got told this by Curino. She's like a professional Pokemon person. There's a book in the game where if you go read it, it talks about how some of the people in the Pokemon world got with the humanoid Pokemon. So if that's one to use, I'm sorry, but you're a red flag. You're probably a furry. Just saying. Thank you very much, Matua and Incognito. Need me a girl with their Mewtwo build. That, sir, is someone that never trains arms, chest, or shoulders. Yo, what up, Cormac? How you, brother? Thank you very much, Matua, for the necklaces as well. How you been, Admiral? Creators always struggle to monetize to do with how business and minded thing. Yeah, I think that's what I need. I need to have more common conversations like that. Business minded and financial conversations, eh? Because it's not something that's very common in a Maori household. Talking about money, it never is, in my opinion. Hey, what's up, Cormac? Yeah, brother, it's me. How are you? How are you, my brother? Thank you, Warwolf, for the roses. Yeah, when I found out about that book in that game, I was like, that's actually crazy. And I've never used humanoid Pokemon in my parties ever again. Kind of sucks there because Incineroar's a wrestler, eh? I was like, sorry, brother. I apologize, my bro. You're a badass in Smash, though, but yeah. I stopped after Pokemon Emerald. Oh, that's yeah, that's Blaziken in the me. Emerald, Primeape, and Machoke. This guy, this fellow wants to be put on a spit. Thank you, Matua. Who is my favorite bar? I just like my favorite generations will always be 1 and 2, mainly because I spent a lot of time playing those 2 particular games, and I absolutely loved them. They were cool. Greetings from Malaysia. Kia ora, brother. How are you? Barracks Alola version? Yeah, bro. What is it? Ghost Rock type, eh? What's some regional variations I like? I don't even know. I can't even remember them. I can't keep up with the latest Pokemon these days. There's just so much of them. What was the latest one? I can't even remember, bro. Oh, there was the crocodile, the leaf cat, and the dancing bird, eh, with the cool hair. Thank you very much, Mix. Hey, much love there, TFQX. Much love, my brother. Oh man, it's the last day of the school holidays, bro. On the last day of school, chatting at school holidays. Great. Let me just put this on the side. So yeah, we'll try and get these. I want to try and get some notches in next week. We'll try and get those all in, but I want to make sure everything's clean. I want to try and get a maintenance stream in over the weekend as well. We need to really do a sharpening stream. Yeah, I'm trying to think of what would be my favorite. It's one. It has to be a Gen 1 or 2. I wouldn't actually. I got an emulator on my phone, on my iPhone. I just don't know how to get Silver or a Pokemon game in general. I can't remember what it's called. It's just a purple icon with an A on it. Yeah. Are there any like emulator iPhone Andes in the chat that know the way? I'll say it's Saint Ava. How are you? Ava. Carving is coming along beautifully. Thank you very much, sir. Have you carved flutes before? I do want to do some, Tonga Puoro. What do you want? I want to try and get I just want to get a Pokemon game on my phone. Most likely Silver or Gold. The updated versions. Can you do my dad's 70th key? I'm all booked out, my bro, till December pretty much. I'm gonna be flat out till December. All the way from South Africa. Hey brother. Gustav, what's up, brother? You excited for GTA 6? Yeah, I think like a lot of other people. I want to try and do a 24-hour stream when GTA 6 drops, and just go hard and absolutely enjoy it. I'm planning to get it on console to make it feel like the good old days. Yeah, I just want to have fun on it, man, and have a good time. But obviously next year I'll have to plan around my family and my wife, just so they have a good whatever day or weekend away too. I'll probably get it on PS5. I do want to try that new Borderlands. I haven't played Borderlands in a while, but I saw a trailer of it over the weekend and it looks good. Even the characters that they have on there too. Is that what it looks like on YouTube? Hey, what's up, Matua? And I don't know. Oh, there's a D&D game that I want to play too. So recently I've been getting into D&D. Not so much playing it. Just kind of reading about it and a little bit here and there. And it's been pretty cool. Looking forward to the next Borderlands. Yeah, brother Jordan. Went from TikTok to YouTube. Oh, chill, my bro. Yeah, it's a bit of a different view for YouTube on here. Because I use TikTok on my phone, pretty much. Got any kids? I've got 3 daughters. And they are going through a K-pop phase. And I'm all for it. Nah, since K-pop Demon Hunter, since that movie dropped on Netflix, it's actually pretty good too. I ain't gonna lie. Expedition 33, yeah, that's another beautiful game that I'd love to play. Gonna be a dad in December. Hey, W, brother Joshua. Hey, Good on you, my brother. It is definitely one of the most life-changing journeys in life. 100%, my bro. Don't sleep on Baldur's Gate. Yeah, I've played Baldur's Gate 3. I've pegged every single party member in the party, including the bear. But I mainly played that just for Karlak. Just being honest. I started the campaign, got Karlak, took her undergarments off, kept them in my character's pocket through the whole campaign. I'm a male. Leave me alone. I had to deal with a K-pop girl spamming songs a few days and it took them away. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, it's a cool movie. My kids enjoyed it, and I just enjoy watching movies with my kids. A fellow man of culture. These are my rankings. Karlak, Lae'zel. What's Elf's name? Min, whatever her name is. Then maybe Shadowheart. Shadowheart's too normie for me. Spice it up a little. Sup, Haley Gil, kia ora from Tamaki Makaurau, tēnā koe tuahine. Minthara, that's her name. Man, do I just do another playthrough and just do Karlak this time? Could be. Are you married? I've been married for about 1 year and a couple months. Our wedding anniversary is on the 23rd of March. Mommy Minthara. Yeah, I don't know how to save her in the game. I pretty much just clapped her, bro, and carried on. Now I'm on here. Chematua. 8 days before my birthday. Hey, nice, brother Jordan. Are you the wood guy? I could be the wood guy, my friend. I could be. Yeah, marriage, fucking from Karlak to marriage. Marriage has always been something I thought of from a young age. From 16, I always thought, I wonder who I'm going to get married to one day. And funny enough, she's in the house right now. And back on TikTok. Hey, might as well go to Kick too, my bro. I'm on 4 different platforms, my brother. Pretty chill here in Aotearoa. Are you visiting? Or surely you live here, eh? Bula Vinaka, the fire. How are you? What is the time, chat? Ooh, lunchtime. Yeah, we're having the pig bulldog noodles for lunch. My wife's gonna do the TikTok recipe, and I am keen. What's up, Urjon? And today is gonna be a shoulders day. Train shoulders today. Probably some tries as well. Yeah, I think that's going to be on the plate for the gym today. Okay. What's the 4th app you're on? Kick. You're on 4 different platforms today, my bro. Oh, I'm going to be just multi-streaming on 4 different platforms from now on, pretty much. John, I've already said hello to you. Please stop spamming. 1. What's your NZ? What? I have no idea what that is. Thank you, NX, for the rose. What's your favorite flavor of spam? I have never tried spam. I do want to try that. I don't know what it's called. Spam sushi thing that they make in Hawaii. I do want to try that. I gotta give me a recipe and I want to try it myself. Yeah, I've never tried spam. Bro, you're coming. This is coming from a guy that grew up in the bush. When it comes to the meat we ate, it was deer, cow, sheep. There was no processed stuff there. It was straight off the ass, my bro. Yo, Dixie Novas, thank you for the 10 bob. Oh, jeez. Hey, if he's got one of those spam recipes, share it with me. Thank you very much, Dixie, for the 10 bomb. If you did get a gifted sub, please give the bro a thank you. Musubi, yeah, I want to try that. Because I'm a sushi man too. They have good pies near the bus station. Bro, the sushi is peak. Musubi is a winner. Okay, if you're in the Discord, I need you to share a recipe with me, okay? And then I'll make it, because Chef Vicky's over in America eating a lot of yummy food that they've been sharing in the Discord too. And anyway, yeah, it's low sodium and maple spam if you ever have the chance. Low sodium and maple spam. I might go and have a look today because I saw heaps of different spams in the supermarket. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb once again, man. But yeah, if I'm being honest, I've never had it once. Thank you, Deputy. Did you go to Fainting Goat when it was there? Yeah, it's still open. I've only been to Fainting Goat once. I enjoyed it because, you know, it's a very heavy, beefy, briskety kind of menu. I thought it was closing. I think it was White Tiger. You might be thinking of White Tiger got shut down. Wonder why though. There was this other place here, chat, called White Tiger. It was on. No, I never heard anything about Fainting Goat closing, but White Tiger closed down. Like it was out of nowhere. Thank you, Carlos, for the rose. Still live in Pomare. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, it was nice, though. Literally just received my 2 V chisels so I can start my first design on a Whakairo. Oh, nice, brother. Chair, too much, my bro. Jordan Mailata. No, I'm not Jordan Mailata. Chocolate peanut butter dessert. Oh, bro, you had me at peanut butter. Ooh. Ah, that sounds yum. I'm that guy with peanut butter, chat. I'll even put it on my steak and eat it and think it's absolutely amazing. That's just me and the relationship I have with peanut butter. My mum said I grew up on it, just spoon peanut butter. Do you understand? I feel like me and him are not identical. So I just saw this cat rubbing its nuts on the fence. Anyway, no, I feel like me and him are identical. Have you tried Dubai chocolate? Nah, I can't bring myself to buy one. It's not worth the price. I'd rather get a Primo. Chocolate Primo. Auckland City soccer team are the best. Yeah, I heard they're pumping up there. We are talking to Jordan Mailata. Yeah, from the Eagles. That's my favourite team, favourite player. But I will be supporting the 49ers this year because the bro's playing for them. There's this place up in Auckland I seen. It's a food truck pagey. It's kind of like they make those 7-Eleven sandwiches. And they look mean too. Like there's the strawberry one, the mango one as well, and I need it in my life. Is this my people's accent of Kiwi? I have no idea. Yeah. I got these guns from Texas. Gotta clock out. All good, my bro. Have a good sleep, eh? Have a good sleep, brother. Yo, that Nero, thank you very, very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. I'm in Argentina. They kicked. I have no idea who. I don't talk football / soccer. Sorry. Yes, I don't really follow that sport. Are you Kiwi or South African? No, I'm Maori. I'm neither. Hope all is well, King. Cheer, brother, Dad. Yeah, brother, all is well. We're currently in like the wind down period of the stream, my bro. I've been gonna try and make some uni. What's it called? No. Oh, I've already forgotten the name of it. Spam sushi. You a ruggers guy? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I watch rugby, brother. How do you say your name? Brox. The H is just there to look cool, my bro. They do seafood feeds, mash burgers, and load of. Wait, is this in Auckland, Paigey? Because we might be coming up to. Oh, we're not sure yet. Me and my family might be coming up to Auckland for a little holiday for the kids. The invisible H. Yeah, the H is just there to look cool, that's all. Everyone goes, bro, XH, Brox, huh? I'm like, bro. The H is silent. Hello from Oklahoma. Hey, what's up, brother? Congratulations as well with OKC. It's a shame about that guy's ankle, or his Achilles. Unlucky, bro. Okay. It is coming to that time where we must wind down, okay? Hello from all time, bro. I'm gonna wind down now, guys. So, as we always start, we finish off with TikTok first, then YouTube, and then the rest. Definitely should go Night Mug. Yeah, I want to try some horse. Definitely. Hello from Las Vegas. I absolutely loved it there. I didn't actually mind the heat. How do I donate a mil? You capping. Okay, I gotta go now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, I'm definitely going now. My wife is cooking. Okay, yeah, we're having a pink bulldog noodles for lunch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish up with TikTok first. You have a good day. Thank you very much for joining in. Although it was a short stream, I will see you. I will not see you tomorrow. I've got to try and figure out how I'm gonna stream for Kaido tomorrow now that it's school holidays. Maybe in the night. Yeah, maybe a nighttime stream. But for now, TikTok kakite. And you have a good day. Chichu. Alright, YouTube, you're next. Alright, have a good day. Remember, follow Brox on all socials, streaming platforms. And have a good day, YouTube.